Hi friends, welcome to Code Hub. In this session, we will discuss about what is data type and briefly explain about numerical data type. What is data type? It means a data type is the classification to specific type, and we have to give a number, a string value, a float value, a w value, and boolean value. The specific variable need to a specific data type. If in case we have to run a program, they will be give some error using different kind of databases. That's why we have to give a specified classified data types to a particular variable or particular value is called data type. What are the data types in Python? Numerical data type, string data type, sequence data type, boolean data type, binary data type, mapping data type, set data type. And what is numerical data type? Numerical data types are numbers. These numbers stores in database columns. Those database types are typically grouped by two types. Exact numerical type. It means exact values we have to see. It means a currency values. We have to see 100 rupees and 1000 rupees, but we doesn't talk about 100.2 paisa and 100.50 paisa. That means we have to see a particular exact values or exact numerical type. It means examples of integers, big int, or digital values and numerical values or numbers and money. These kind of things are exact numbers, and approximated numbers, or we have seen some salary packages, 2.5 lakhs. That kind of point values and float values are approximated numerical types. They are doubles and precisions, and floats or real values called approximated numerical types. In Python, we have type function. Is this type function can using to checking data type is what kind of data, or integer or string or boolean, or what kind of data type the data should be given. We have to check by using type function. Three types of numerical data types are in Python: integer numerical data type, float numerical data type, complex numerical data type. In this session, we are going to use Jupyter Notebook. Let's go to command prompt, type cmd, and just type Jupyter Notebook. It will take some time, and open the Chrome. We're gonna choose new file, click here, and Python 3 latest version. In here, we need to mark down the heading. Just click here and go heading. Just click OK, and we will give some heading like uh, numeric data type. Just click enter. This is called heading, and we will give some subheading. Just enter the shift and type whatever you wanted, and our numerical data types are three types, and the first one is integer. Integer is a whole number, either positive or negative. Let's checking the integers. For some example, x gives some values like 25. Just print it. Print X. Just click shift enter. Will show the results of whatever the data we have to give. What? Let's check X is integer or any other thing. We will type print type X. There we go. Class int integer. It means it will be integer. And check one more thing. Y is equals to some value. And let's print type is Y. Here class int. It means it will be integer. Second one is float. Float is contain one or more decimal numbers in given data. For example, we will give some data like 5.65 and print type Z. Here we go. Class float. The point after the point values should be float values. Let's check the negative values. Just give some data. Minus 5.987 and print S and again print type Z. Yes, the minus 5.987 it will be print and class name will be float. And the third one is complex. Complex returns with J in imaginary part. Like we will imagine that J is some value. Let's check it. We will give some value like 3 plus 5J and let's print the value type Z. It will give complex number. And the next thing is type conversion. It will be type conversion is using to convert the integer to float, float to complex, complex to another thing. Let's check it. We will give some value to X like 675. It should be integer value, but I want to print it like a float value. Just convert it. Print the value by using float function to the given variable. Let's see. Yes, there we go. Here the point values should become float means the point values. Check one more thing. We have to give some values like float 7.54, then convert it into integer int and variable name. Just print it. It will convert it to integer value. But we cannot convert to complex values to any other format. Just complex value should be only complex. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.